guys, and I'm here today just to ask you guys a little question. Why haven't you guys been like commenting on my videos? Like, for real, I don't understand. If you tell me and it's the right and it's an answer that I can understand, then I'll see. But if it's something about my videos that is bad, then no, I don't. I'll actually block. I can find a way to block you. I can hack in the YouTube system and block you from watching my videos. But yeah, sadness. Okay, so today is not what I really wanted to talk about. We're going to be doing this dare. No, it's a challenge. So we're going to like move up to over there where we usually do our videos now. Or where I usually do my videos now. So it's mine, and I be vlogging now. Vlogging. Okay, let's just go. I honestly don't have time for this. I think I do because it's my videos. Okay, some people asked. Actually, I had one comment from music. It was about my YouTube videos. So I'm like, can you just like go on YouTube and check out my videos? Or like comment on my. I have a comment section, so I don't really care. You gotta check out my comments. So let me go get the stuff for the challenge, and I'll be back. Peace. You know what? Let's just do it. Something else like a dare. Let's see. Well, since I did the Casey Undercover challenge, let's do a part 3. I think I did a part 2. No, this is part 2. Yeah. So I'm Ernie. I'm more advanced Ernie, more skilled Ernie. Oh, I really need this. My stomach hurts. Let's try this at home. Hey, sister, I know I'm just gonna have to kick the pillow. I'll be back. I just crushed that pillow side. So like, well, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff today. Hold on. Just saw my auntie test thing. It says congrats. I'm not gonna tell you my auntie's name. Your 2016 high school grad pack is waiting for you. That's fool. She forgot it. You see, that's why she's crazy, and that's why I didn't give her a double hug like I thought I would. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff today. We were supposed to do that, but no. We just did the Casey Undercover challenge. Let's see, we might do the basketball challenge, but we're gonna have somebody recording. But first, I'm gonna need all the crap on the jigs for it. I honestly do not know where my shoes are for it, but still. So yeah. Or we can just, like, I don't know. I might just go outside and do a video. So yeah, let's go get on some shoes real fast. We're about to go see my uncle. Yeah. But to go see my uncle, I wish we had like something to hold the phone, because when I'm holding the phone, it would be really making my arms sad. I don't know what KK and them be meaning, or what they was meaning when they said it's hurting their arms. But it actually doesn't hurt much. Uncle? yeah, he's over there. So yeah, fresh two cars, a Jaguar and a Cadillac. So yeah, what's pretty much beautiful out here. Tiring, but yeah. Well, there's not really much for us to do, so I might end this video. My comfy chair. I honestly don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Am I supposed to just sit here? Or what? Actually, no. I'm gonna do something about this boringness. Well, you guys are boring. You guys are asking me to be kind of happy, but I'm kind of bored. So, I'm just popsicle and eat it. What you're supposed to do with popsicles. Or what my friend, sister, my friend's sister, cousins. No, my friend's sister's friend's uh cousin did a DIY popsicle. So what she literally just did was take a regular popsicle and like break it down, but put it back together just like so backwards. So yeah, but it was cool. I'm gonna try to open this. So, hold on. I'm gonna open this so you guys can see it there. Oh no, don't look at the ceiling. Just here, look right there. I'm opening this delicious popsicle. Okay, now that I got the popsicle open, I'm gonna tell you what I love about this popsicle. Okay, this has been going on for 7 minutes. I've been talking to you. So, see this gel? Okay. Or what I don't like about the gel. I think I'm doing this really. So, before I go, I'm gonna shout out to all the channels I subscribe to and all my and like all the channels I watch. First. I want to start with Deja Land Annie or something. Land A what and I don't know, but her and then Lauren DIY, Alex Wasabi, Roy, um, Lazy Boy Studio, Mega Hiker, and some other Becky G Revo reveal. Some other things, and I'm about to run because I can by the door. Wasp. So I'm gonna come down here because I'm scared. Really, really scared. I'm gonna try to get like this uh type of uh type of video chat. But yeah, besides that, I don't have anything
Sadie,
Huh.
you recording yourself? Stop sucking on that damn popsicle like that. Bite it.
Man, got my teeth. Yeah, well, alright, bye.